Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best circle hooks is probably one of the most important tools for any serious catfish angler, offering a unique design that significantly increases catch rates while minimizing harm to the fish, and in this video, we will explore why circle hooks are superior to traditional J-hooks for catfish fishing, examining their design, functionality, and effectiveness in various fishing scenarios, and providing you with all the information you need to make an informed decision about incorporating circle hooks into your own catfish fishing strategy. Number 5. UCEC Circle Hooks. Introducing the UCEC circle hooks, designed for superior performance and reliability. These hooks are engineered for both freshwater and saltwater fishing, ensuring a successful catch every time. Its unique offset point and special barb design ensures a secure hold, minimizing fish injury and maximizing your catch. This innovative design makes it easier than ever to hook your target. Whether you're fishing in a lake or the ocean, it's versatile enough to handle various fish species. They're perfect for a wide range of fish, from bass to tuna. Made from high-carbon steel, they offer superior strength and corrosion resistance, ensuring they're ready for any fishing adventure. These hooks are built to last, season after season. The precisely bent eye and gently curved shaft make hooking a fish effortless. The masterfully designed barb ensures a secure hold, even on the most powerful fish. Looking for a thoughtful gift for the angler in your life? These hooks make a unique and practical present for any fishing enthusiast. It's a gift that keeps on giving. What we like. It has an extremely sharp, offset point and special barb. This ensures the hook sets in the corner of a fish's mouth, resulting in less damage. If you prioritize fish health and a secure hook set, this is the one for you. What people say. These hooks didn't bend and come in a variety of sizes. They are better than eagle claw hooks and function great. I would recommend these hooks for big freshwater fish. There are 8 sizes to choose from and they are kept neat tidy in the included case. The quality is as good as the much more expensive ones in the big box stores. The hooks are durable and well crafted. Number 4. Mustad Demon Perfect Circle Hook. It's designed to catch more fish. The 3-degree downward point ensures a secure grip, leading to superior hookup ratios. This hook boasts a wide gap and 1x fine wire, providing the perfect balance of strength and sensitivity. It's ideal for thicker baits. It features opti-angle sharpening technology, resulting in 20 times the durability of competitors. It's reusable, dependable, and resistant to rust and corrosion. Its unique ring eye design makes it perfect for catch and release fishing in both freshwater and saltwater environments. It's suitable for a variety of fish, from tuna and marlin to catfish and alligator gar. It's truly a versatile choice for any angler. What we like. Its wide gap and 1x fine wire offer the perfect balance of strength and sensitivity. The innovative UltraPoint technology provides superior durability. If you need a strong, sensitive, and long-lasting hook, this is an excellent choice. What people say. I have been using these for a decade and have never straightened a hook out. I've gotten snagged and used 80 pounds line to rip large, heavy branches out of the water. I always get my gear back. When fishing from the bottom they always find their way to the corner of the fish's mouth, and when suspending live bluegill the hooks have penetrated the roof of the mouth with no problem. The fish literally hook themselves. Number 3. Mustad Classic 39944. These aren't your average fishing hooks. They're designed for a secure hold and easy release, making them perfect for various fish species. The short shank design keeps your bait natural and appealing to fish. This design is ideal for targeting a wide variety of species. Its unique curved shape ensures the hook sets in the corner of the fish's mouth, reducing deep hooking and making release easier. This new point design is 50% more efficient than standard hooks, resulting in superior penetration and a sharper hook. They are lighter yet up to 20% stronger than standard hooks thanks to Mustad's innovative wire technology and tempering process. Whether you're targeting tuna, catfish, bass, or other species, it's the reliable choice for anglers who demand quality in performance. What we like. This hook's design minimizes deep hooking, leading to healthier fish. It boasts Mustad superior wire technology, making it up to 20% stronger. If you value a hook that's both effective and fish-friendly, choose this one. What people say. First time I used these hooks were on a charter boat in Mexico and I noticed the ring was very big and made it easier for certain rigs. Like dropper loop and Carolina rigs. Good hook but didn't catch a fish. Should be a refund. The hooks appear to be quality made. All are uniform in size and tip. Nice and sharp. Number 2. Circle Hooks Fishing Kit. Let's take a look inside. You'll find 180 circle hooks, neatly organized by size, plus 5 handy power clips, all in a reusable box. This kit includes 6 sizes of hooks, from 10 to 60, ensuring you're prepared for a variety of fish and fishing conditions. These stainless steel clips make changing lures and rigs a breeze. They're compatible with many different lure types. They're perfect for catching catfish, bass, trout, and many other species, whether you're fishing in freshwater or saltwater. The design minimizes gut hooking, leading to less damage to the fish and a higher survival rate after release. Made from high-quality steel, these hooks are strong and reliable, ready to handle even the biggest catches. No bending, no escaping. What we like. This set includes 180 hooks in a variety of sizes, plus 5 fishing clips for easy rigging. It's a great value for the quantity and convenience. If you need a large selection of hooks and clips, this is a great option. What people say. They were great quality. Very sharp. Great hook sets. I've used them consistently with no issues and they're nice and sharp. These hooks are pretty strong and are fairly sharp. Number 1. Catfish Sumo Hooks. Tired of missing those big catches? These forged steel hooks have an offset design and razor-sharp point for superior hook sets. Land more fish with Catfish Sumo hooks. Get the best value with our 25-pack. Premium fishing tackle doesn't have to break the bank. Stock up and save. The closed-eye design protects your line and knot. Fight those big fish with confidence, knowing your line is secure. It's designed to hook in the mouth or lip, reducing gut hooking. Catch, photograph, and release your fish quickly and safely. Handle with care. These are extremely sharp hooks. Always use caution when handling them. Upgrade your fishing game today with Catfish Sumo hooks. Experience the difference superior quality makes. What we like. Made from forged steel with a razor-sharp tip, it ensures excellent hook sets. The closed eye protects your line and knot. If you want a durable, reliable hook that won't let you down, this is the one. What people say. It has a good, smooth, tight eye, and the point is very sharp. If you rig it right, it hooks fish. Multiple hookups and fish landed. All 10 to 20 pounds. No problems, no failure of product. Bait stays on hook and so does the fish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.